Honestly, this voice note has really made me proud that the political minds of people are maturing.
Morning. All you Imali Duncan, how you want name? You think you get no vote round here? You not get no vote round here. We have vote you out. If you said we them vote you out a bull beer, so we are there. We in a central Kingston, in a Tel Aviv, want be a worst nightmare. Remember me tell you, it's a PD 49, not one vote you get in there. Every vote in that box going to the Jamaica Labour Party. Only too sure of people. It's whether not sure of people. I want to use people. I want to talk to people anywhere. This is a decision what ours we make. Turn it over to the Jamaica Labour Party. You can't win a seat in a Central Kingston. Furthermore, me is a junkie, I use a junkie. Me no want a junkie for represent me. Me want somebody for represent me who can say, look at me, cool off for the drinking, cool off for the ganja smoking and the cigarette smoking. You drink, you smoke, me drink, me smoke. When fight out river as a young youth, we born and grow in a Tel Aviv. Jennifer Newman, but Jennifer Newman I come and go. The young people them don't talk about the old people them when in politics them for go home now, go rest them body and spend the money with them thief and taxpayer and bring in young, brighter people in the party. And you bringing Jennifer Newmans will soon start wear pampas. On the fight against Riba, a Rosie, me a dance for general election call and me a time for local election call. Now Dayati not there again. Dayati dead out. And with the people them what kind of development the people them can do for the area, that's what we want. And you now have no plan. Your plan is to come on social media wind up. We don't want an MP come on social media wind up. So good. Peter Phillips not going to win again through you. Because the seat here, I go over to the Jamaica Labour Party and take it serious. Take it serious what we say. You only can't say no man come intimidate to 1980 gone. Everybody are big people. Everybody are big people. Me know you see the face here HQ. I come antagonize Uno and no minister. We are independent Jamaican. We look who want blood clean money, but we want development in the community. And you know that you have no plan. You have no plan. One man come with development of Paul Buchanan and Peter Phillips push him out, bringing you, bringing Raymond Price, bringing all kind of rubbish come in a Central Kingston. Run it with him. I wanted a wicked serpent that ran it with. I wanted a wicked serpent that when him resign a prison, him forgot. Imagine, wanna get $4 million for look about the old people them in the area with little sickness on wrap up 1 pound of rice. A tin of mackerel and run want take people picture for put on social media. No go with that. Them the politics they done with. I want me to you, Kibani. I want me to you. And the me a brother take over thing and him we a work with. Him we a give a vote to. It's like it's ball alone switch. We a make a change to see what the other party can do for the area. Because all over the years we have this seat here and neglect Tel Aviv. We look for Almantown, Raytown, Campbelltown and elsewhere and Tel Aviv. Leave out. Tel Aviv, leave out. Tel Aviv, leave out. So that's how people bringing the Jamaica Labour Party, of course. I make Issa work with we. Yes. I make we get help from Issa for the development and thing. You know much youth in the ghetto down there have subject and can't get a work. Every pit them want, every little pit them want a paper sign, them can't go over PRA to Sunday. What the fuck do you know? Enough. Too much of only now. Too much of only now. We have to take a stand on it. The Dayati thing done with. Who can develop the community? And them we are swing with. What they a junkie.